It's empty. Ugh.
Oh! Did you eat all my Cheez-Its?
No, I was about to, but there was nothing left.
You lying son of a witch! Get up and give me 100 push-ups.
I'm not lying, and I'm not doing push-ups.
Okay, but just know, you will regret it.
Can't let no one eat my Oreos.
Oh, excuse me, Father of the Year?
What?
Will you chill with the attitude, bro? Mom left you Oreos under her pillow.
For real? Finally she's sharing. What are you staring at?
Oh, Mother!
Yeah. Are those my Oreos? Jimmy said you left them for me. Spit the Oreo out.